Today I'm testing slime from Amazon, and this is actually a little bit different. This is basically a compound kit, and I'm going to be testing the slime from it. There seem to be 4 slimes in here, all different colors. And if you know me, you know I love neon colors, and these were honestly so bright. I started off with pink and blue, as these were my 2 favorite, and the texture was this really satisfying water slime that wasn't sticky at all. I could honestly play with these for hours, and I checked to see if the other colors were the same texture, and they were. So instead of keeping them separate, I placed them all into one cup and made a neon rainbow water slime. Not only was this so satisfying, but none of the colors really seemed to blend, and they made these really beautiful kind of tie-dye patterns in the slime. And I kind of think water slime is underrated, but maybe that's just me.